Good morning, guys. All of you quickly respond who has completed that project and who is not able to complete the project. Ramakrishna, your Ajax logic is pending. I have given the logic for Ajax in the class notes. How to implement it? Come on, guys. Could you please respond quickly? What is the status? So based on that, I will plan the classes. So should I wait or should I start the next topic? I should know that, right? If you guys are not completing, then there is no use of completing the syllabus. If you are not able to develop these projects, right, then there is no use of completing the syllabus. I'm not getting the response. Anybody who needs my help in completing this project? Anybody who needs my help in completing this project? Guys, anybody needs my help in completing this project? Anybody needs my help in completing the project?
Sir, can I share my screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
So I have given co-host, you can share your screen.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, I can see that.
Sir, after clicking on login, getting this error that source must not be null with invalid
When you are
credentials.
getting that, So that means here it is saying that your object is coming as null. Whatever the user object is there now, that object is coming as null. You need to here whenever you are copying the bin copy properties 108, if invalid credentials are provided, your user object will be null, right? If user object is not null, then only you need to execute copy properties. You need to do a null check there. It is very clearly saying source must not be null. That means in the 108 line number, bean utils.copy properties method, user object coming as null. If it is not null, then only you copy that.
Okay, okay.
Keep that in the if condition. Yes. If user is not equal to null, then only execute that. You got it? Why you are getting that problem?
Yes, sir. Got it. Okay. Thank you.
Rishikesh, you understand what is your mistake?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Very good. Anyone else need any help?
Sir, I faced some issues, sir. I posted in our WhatsApp chat. Few people helped me, and also Rajesh also helped me. I was able to get the drop down right now for the countries. Still working on the Ajax population for the state and cities. Yeah, moving forward, sir. I need some more time, sir.
Okay. The remaining people. What about the remaining people, guys?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, hi Vinod, good morning.
Sir, I have some problems. Once I log in, the another one updated some issues, sir. Okay, share my screen,
Sir,
sir.
I'm asking from last 20 minutes. Anybody need help? You are responding now. Share your screen.
Yes, sir, I'm sorry.
Guys, if you need some help, you need to come and ask me. I don't need to beg you, right? From 20 minutes, I'm asking anybody having some problem, anybody needs some help, you are not responding. So what should we do, guys? So you need to come forward and you need to ask for the help that you need to solve the problems that you are facing.
Sir, visible to my screen, sir.
Yes, I can see.
So once you have to log in.
Okay.
Already I have logged in my Gmail account, sir. Once login is completed and random password is generated to complete with my login initial to login is then after come to the errors initially.
No static resource reset password page. Go to your login method.
Yeah.
Open your
Yes, sir.
controller and show me the
Says
login method. Can you do Control Shift F? Yeah. Go to login method.
yes, sir.
Reset password page. Question mark email. If login is successful, can you show me the reset password method? Its URL pattern. Scroll down.
Yes,
Request
sir.
param email, comma email, reset password page. Can you show me the redirection once again? Reset password page is the URL pattern. Go there. Go above. Wait. Redirect.
Sir, I see some unsaved changes, sir. I don't know.
No. Wait.
Reset
Says
spell
rest,
mistakes, no?
rest.
Huh?
The URL
Reset
he has
spell
given
mistakes.
is
Or
incorrect.
saying
I
rest.
mean, REST
Can you
PWD
please
Line
page
number
and
91. Spelling mistake in the URL pattern.
Sir, line number
91.
91.
It is reset, not rest password page.
yes.
This is very silly mistake, sir. So this is what, guys, problem solving skills are very important. Writing the code, anybody can do it. So whatever the problem you are facing, you should be able to resolve the problem. Very clearly it is saying that no resource found with that name. That means the URL pattern is incorrect.
Yes. Yes, completed. Hello.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Sir, this
Sir,
Ajax script, I supposed to add it to that same register.html, right, sir?
Correct, sir. Where you are using Ajax column, in that page only you will add that script.
Right, sir.
So we are using Ajax calls in the registration page, right? So that script also you need to write in the registration page only.
Right, sir. I mean, if you have a minute, I can quickly share my screen as well, sir.
Yes, you can.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
it's a small dot, sir. If you want to register the different emails to run generate the different random numbers, sir, random passwords.
Can you please repeat your question?
So if you want to register the register page, if you different email number to register the numbers, email numbers. If you want to generate the different
Yes,
random
sir.
numbers,
For
if you want
every
a different,
registration, a new password will be generated.
yes,
For
different
every,
email number to add the random,
sorry?
different random number. Sir, if you want
Yes,
to
sir. Different
register
password
the
only will be
different email
generated.
numbers.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Thanks.
Sir, my page is basically coming like this, sir. I have this USA, India, and I'm trying to basically insert this script, sir. I
If you
have to.
just copy paste, it will not work, sir. You need to see what is the IDs you are using, what are the IDs. It's not copy paste. You need to use
Right, sir.
the proper IDs.
Yes, sir. Basically, in place of these two, it will come, right, sir? The city and the state, right, sir?
State, correct.
Instead of these two, I have to put the script and then I have to modify those IDs and everything.
So don't
sir.
blindly copy paste. You need to
Right, sir.
understand why are you copying, what is the purpose, why are you commenting that? Hello, Mr.
Yeah.
Praveen, why are you commenting
Yes.
that?
Right, sir. I just uncommented, sir. I uncommented. Yeah,
So
I
whatever the logic I have given, that is Ajax logic. You should write that
Ajax
logic to populate the values for the drop down.
drop down, sir. Right, sir.
Go to above, go to the starting stage of your HTML.
Right, sir. Yeah.
You are not using that jQuery min.js file. First mistake.
Okay, sir. Okay. Right.
This
Okay,
script
sir. I'll
will
put
not
that.
work directly. First, you need to add that jQuery file there.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
jQuery. Okay. Yeah. Makes sense,
So
sir.
you need to add that jQuery file, then only the script will work.
Right. Okay. This is the Ajax script, right? Okay. Okay, sir. I will make those two changes, sir. I will try for that, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
Sir, I noticed one weird issue other day, sir. Like, the IDE, when I entered, I double quote, it was thinking it as a single quote, and I struck with that issue for like a few hours. And someone from the group suggested to restart the IDE, and it resolved that issue, sir. I didn't expect those type of issues from the IDE.
No, sir. Maybe your cache problem will be there. IDE. IDE will not have any issue.
Yeah.
Maybe there is some cache problem in your browser, something like that.
Right, sir. Yeah, once I restarted, it just started working, sir. Otherwise, it was keep giving same error all the time. And yeah. And one other thing I keep noticing I'm making mistake is this form name, sir. I mean this the th object name. If it is not matching with the
You need to.
controller,
You are
yeah.
simply trying to copy paste the code. That is the reason you are doing those mistakes. If you think and if you write the code, then you will not do that mistake.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Whenever you are writing the code, you need to think and you need to write it properly. Then you will not do the mistake.
Right, sir. And then I was struck with that base package also, sir, because the base package is in the com.example by default when I created this project, and I built later on. Someone suggested to modify that, then it worked, sir. That one also I struck the third stage. Yeah.
Okay, good. The remaining people, anyone else, guys?
Sir, I missed yesterday class, sir. Did anything was covered yesterday, sir? I couldn't join because of.
No, sir. Yesterday I just checked the
Okay, sir. Okay.
implementation of the
Because
people. Some people has completed the project. Yesterday I just checked it.
right, sir. Because I tried to look the video also. There was no video, and
It's not
okay,
recorded.
uploaded. Right? Okay, sir. Okay.
Next, guys, now can anyone tell me, so what is your confidence levels? Is there any improvement in your coding skills? Because you completed two mini projects now. After completing two mini projects, so what is your confidence levels? what you are feeling now. What you are feeling now after completing too many projects.
Sir,
If you really complete those too many projects, then definitely I think some confidence levels will be increased. If you don't complete the projects, then I can't do anything.
it's a lot of confidence gain, sir.
Good.
Yeah, now I know a lot of my regular pattern of mistakes, sir. I'm able to recognize those similar mistakes I'm making in Mini 1 and Mini 2, sir.
Now not afraid of errors, sir. Happily debugging if there is any mistake.
So happily you are able to debug the problems. You are able to debug the problems that you are facing.
Yes, sir. Like if anything, like if there is any mistake, we can go. We put debug point and we used to check like why the object, what are the data it is there in the object instead of using system.out.println. Like that, we are getting like if there is an error, if I'm afraid like it will work or not. Also, I'm not afraid now because I know the flow now, sir.
Okay. All of you comfortable with the debugging? Can anybody share the screen and can run the project in the debugging mode? All the functionalities.
Can I do it, Ashok? Hello.
Anybody want to share the screen?
Yes, Ashok, can you hear me? Can I try?
Your name?
Rajeshwar.
Yeah, hi Rajeshwar. So share your screen and explain the functionality and debug that code line by line.
Yeah. Okay, Ashok. Definitely. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir, I can see that.
Okay. So let me go to the dashboard controller. I mean, the first page where we are getting the application flow to get started. So I'm starting the application in the debug mode. Yeah, application has started. Mm. So I'm trying to go to the registration page in the first place. So the application has come to this controller, get mapping localhost 8080. And this is where I am trying to display the index page, which is the registration page. And before that, I'm trying to create an empty object so that, which is helpful for the binding of the data from the front end. And also getting the list of countries to be displayed in the registration page. So if I can go to the next step. So here the object is created in the line 36. And I can go into this method get countries. So here I'm making a call to the DB using the country repository interface and fetching all the countries list from the countries table. And I'm going back to the controller where I made this get countries call. And here, if I can see, I got the list of countries. So I have 5 countries in the database table. So I can see all of them coming successfully from the get countries call method call. And I'm going to the next line, basically just adding as an attribute to the model and returning back. So in the browser, I came to this page. So here, let me clear out the existing data. Okay, so I'm using my name and email, phone number, country, India, Karnataka, Bangalore. So if I click on register, then my application will be coming into this handle register method. That is where I'm mapping that button to. So I have kept a debug point here, and I will be making that click on the button, register button. So the application comes here and stops at the line 60. So basically here, I'm checking in the line 60 that whether the email which I have given for the registration is duplicate or not. Using this method called is email duplicate. So I'm going into that method. So basically in this particular method, I'm checking whether the email is duplicate or not. For that, I have used a method called exists by email, which is predefined in the Spring Data JPA, which will give an duplicate, Boolean value, whether it is, true or not. So basically, once I execute that, I got it as false. That means the data is not there in the database. So which is good that we can insert this into the database. So I'm coming out of this method. So basically going over it. So here it says duplicate is false. So that means we can go in the else condition and we can create a user. So that is how the application is going right now. So in this create user method, there is some logic which is required for creating the user. So I'm going into that method, create user method. So here in the session, Ashok have explained about the bean utils. I did not use it before. I have developed this code before that, so I have just manually mapped each of the register from data to the user entity. So that is why I have used this particular method. So if I can go into that method, it will be visible that what I have used. So it is nothing but just creating an object user entity and mapping all the data from the registration form DTO to the user. And then at the end of it, I'm also generating a password from here and then setting the reset password as also no, so that it will help next time when the user logins, so that it can directly go to the dashboard instead of reset password page. So basically step over, step over, step over. Here I have created a separate class for password generator and I'm using that generate random password method. So going into the generate random password method, this is just a basic example of creating a 6-digit random code. And the generated random password, I am setting it to the user entity. And then I am also setting the password reset status, a flag which we have as a column in the user table, that I am setting it as no. And then going back and return user. Yeah. So we came back to the controller, and here we can see it as user created is true. So that means I am giving a success message and then saying that registration is successful, and we need to enter the password which we got over the email. And while displaying the registration form again, so basically we are displaying the same page. So in order to populate the countries, I am just making a call again, get countries, and registering that countries list also to the model, and then a sample, empty DTO object for binding. So we were able to register successfully. So this is a password we got. So I'm going to log in. And what is the password? NWPR7C. NW7MC. So when I hit on the login password, it is redirecting to reset password page. Capital PR7. So new password, I'm giving it as my name only. So if I keep the new password and confirm password as different, when I click on update, it will show us we need to verify. So this is in the script of the JavaScript itself, in the front end itself. And when I click on update, sorry, let me keep the debug point handle. Login, register. Where is it? Reset password. Okay. So basically handle reset. That is where it is going. Yeah. So I want to keep a debug point here. And then I'll go ahead and click on the update. So that is where my application is coming and stopping here. So here there is an method which we have defined for resetting the password. And after reset, if it comes as true, we are just redirecting it to the display password. If it is wrong for some reason, for one reason, then we are keeping it as old password is wrong. Please try again, and then sending it back. So here, let us try to see what we are getting as a Boolean value. So here B is coming it as true. That means we have successfully reset the password, and then we will be redirecting it from line 120. We will be redirecting it to the display dashboard page. So that is where we have come. And here, when we click on the generate new code, there will be random third-party API call which will be made. So dashboard. So when we click the form submit button, we are making a call to the handle code button. So basically handle code button, we are just trying to redirect to the display dashboard page. That is where our actual logic is to generate the new code. So if we keep the debug point here and then go to the browser and generate new code. So here we are getting into this particular method. So into that method, if we can go, we are creating a new code we are using a REST template, and then we are just making a call to the URL and getting the response to the DTO object and then sending it back. We are sending it back here and then from the service IMPL to the controller. So once I executed 142 line, I got the quote object, quote and its author, and continuing it, going back to the browser. So that is how the application flow is right now. And if I click on logout, it will go back to the login page. Yeah, that's it, Ashok, from my side.
Yes, good job. Guys, able to understand how he is debugging the code?
Thank you.
Guys, are you able to understand how he is debugging that code?
Yes, sir.
So as you are developing the code on your own, debugging that code and understanding what is the problem in that code, that is very, very important, guys, because tomorrow nobody will help you in the company. Whatever the problems you are facing, you should know how to debug that code on your own. Okay, what are the problem you are getting, you should be able to analyze the problem and you need to resolve the problem on your own. So if you know problem solving skills, then it will become very, very difficult to survive in the company as a developer. You should know how to develop that and how to debug it. How to develop and how to debug. What are the problems we are facing? How to rectify those problems, that we need to understand. So debugging skills are very, very, very important for every developer. Okay. Any other questions, anyone? Any other questions, anyone?
Sir, that step over after that, going inside that one I- and coming back, sir. Sometimes while coming back, I am facing some issues while debugging. So we can go any depth, right, sir? Like 2, 3, 4 methods deep also we can go, right, sir? Through that.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Any other questions, anyone?
Ashok sir,
Yes, sir.
I just want to ask you quick questions. I missed a lot of classes, so I'm not catching you up here on project 2. But I just want to share, like I was working on project 1, but having issues here. I don't know. I couldn't figure it out.
Still you are in the project 1.
Yes, sir. I missed a lot of classes due
Why,
to my health
man?
issues. Yeah.
What happened? Why you missed so many classes?
No, I was not able to attend because I was not physically like I was sick.
You're sick, okay. So what is the issue?
I just like I'm on 14 and 15 recording number 15. So I was trying to do project one, a very simple step, but it was giving me some kind of error message. I couldn't figure out why is it coming up.
Okay. You can share your screen, Suman.
Okay.
Guys, let's help the Suman to complete his task. Yes, Suman.
All right, so can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. It's like I was not able to read the console.
Yes, we can see.
Just trying to figure out what the issue is, but creating bean with name counselor info.
Can you go a little bit up?
Little up.
Yeah. Property password found for the type counselor.
For the type counselor. Okay.
It's saying the password is not found, like the name of the feed. Can you go to the counselor entity?
Counselor entity. Counselor entity.
It was declared as PWD, but you are calling PASSWORD.
Where is it?
The
Where
password.
did I?
Line number 31, your password says PWD, the variable name PWD,
Right.
but you are,
Right.
yeah, it was saying you are looking for password PASSWORD. You can check
And
that.
where I was calling password.
Can you open the error once again? Maybe in the repo class.
Repo.
Can you go down? End of the error.
Method.
Down. Little bit up. So first error you can see here. Little bit up. See here. Line. No property password found for the type counselor.
Okay. Counselor.
So it was PSDW. So you are calling from somewhere. Wait. Go up. Go up. Fail to create query for the method public abstract. Abstract entity construct. See here. You are calling find by email and password, but it should be find by email and PWD.
Okay.
Go to the
Yeah.
repo. Yeah. It should be
The
PWD.
find by method name is incorrect.
Yeah.
Okay.
Counselor repo.
Counselor repo. Right
Yeah.
here.
Here PWD.
Oh, right here. Okay.
And do you declare getter and setters method in the counselor? check once getter and setters. Is that present or not?
How do I remove the insert mode?
Insert button.
Side button? Insert button?
Insert button.
Okay.
Press insert button.
Consonant. Oh, okay.
Yeah, click that button again one more time, please. So this is a custom method or framework method?
This one?
Yeah, looks like this is a framework method, right?
Yeah, this is
Framework
not custom. This is framework.
Framework one, yes.
Let me
Or
run the.
you could change there as well, right?
Also,
Where?
there is error in
No, you
counselor
need to
service
declare
implementation.
getter and setters method in counselor. You missed it. I think you open that counselor. Yeah.
Counselor?
You declare getters and setters.
Yes,
Agenda is
did
there,
I?
right? No need.
And yeah, here is I
Server.
have the PWD.
Counselor service implementation you need to update also.
Counselor service implementation.
Yeah, there also errors are showing.
Method
Right?
name.
Method you call it.
Password, right?
Yes, correct.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Now at least I learn how to read the console.
I think you still need the getters and setters, right, in that Pozo class?
In Ozo?
Yeah, go.
It's
It's using Lombok, right? So no need.
Lombok,
Entire-
yeah.
He is using Lombok.
Oh,
Yes.
you are using? Okay. I need to add Lombok for my project also. Sir, which video it was discussed, sir? Lombok? I might have missed that Lombok setup, sir.
I just installed the download the Lombok jar, and
Ah,
then when you double click the jar file, it will ask you. It will by default it will take your Eclipse or whatever framework you have, and then it will just
right.
be in there.
Right. You are also using STS, right? Same STS.
Yeah.
Right.
So now it's okay, right? It's running fine. Started. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. I'm in 15. I need to catch up a little bit, and I also need to improve on the other Spring Boot side as well. I jump in this program, the project program, but I need to work a little bit more on other one.
Okay, good. So guys, I hope with this we are keeping the full stuff for our second mini project also. Okay, so if still anybody not completed, then we can't do anything, guys. We are trying to help our best. So if you need any help, so we are here to help you to solve the problems. If you are not asking that you need help, then I can't do anything. So with this, I'm assuming that all of you completed the second mini project also. Tomorrow we are going to learn about some best practices while doing the coding, and I will explain how to perform the code review by using SonarQube. So what is code review? What are the best practices we need to follow while doing the code review? That we are going to learn in the tomorrow session. Okay.
Sir,
Good.
one question I have based on
Yeah.
the previous error, right, sir? So someone put the PWD. For example, somebody might have put like a PD, right, sir, for the password. So in that case, how do we determine if it is custom method or the framework defined method, sir? Like,
So if you see the error, it will tell you that query creation got failed. So when you get the error query creation is failed, that means it is your method. For the predefined methods, query creation will not be failed.
Right, sir. But he commented the query at the top, right, sir, in his
Yes.
method.
Yes.
So does that mean it is invoking the built-in method of the interface? Okay, sir. Okay.
Sir, have you started microservices class for the Spring Boot batch?
No, sir. Currently, REST API is going on. This Saturday, microservice will start. It will be a combined session for project people and Spring Boot people. This Saturday and Sunday.
Okay, sir.
Hi, Ashok.
Hi.
Quick question. So for the major project, do we
Sorry?
need to, for major project, we will be using Angular, right? So which version of Angular is it recommended to learn? I'm learning Angular now, so.
Sir, Angular free batch we are already conducting. Na?
Okay.
Evening
So,
7 o'clock, Angular batch is going on for the JRTP people.
okay, I will try to look at that video.
You are not
So
attending that?
no, I'm not attending, sir.
Why?
It would be morning for me, like 10:30, 11 o'clock. So it would be difficult for
So
me.
you need to
Yeah.
go
So,
through the videos then.
yeah. So can you tell me which version of Angular you will be
17
using?
version of Angular we are using.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
Guys, what is the status of Angular? Which topic is going on in the Angular?
Pipes.
Pipes
Custom
going on.
pipes.
Custom pipes.
Custom pipes going on. Okay.
Sir, one problem I'm
Fine.
facing with Angular is, from Java mindset, Angular mindset is little different, sir. The syntax and everything is little bit confusing, sir. How do basically,
No different, sir. If you spend some time, you can learn. It's not different. For the Java developer, learning Angular is very easy.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Because that Angular also will follow MVC kind of architecture only. Component template service will be available.
Right, sir. Yeah, because everything is like a JavaScript type of thing, sir.
If you know JavaScript, then it is very easy.
Right. Yeah. I will do more practice as well, sir. Yeah.
Good. Thank you, guys.
Ashok sir, so sir left.
Sorry?
That event driven that code you need actually in the they conducted one session, right?
Event driven code.
Yeah.
I did not get you.
One workshop they conducted, right? Event driven code, RabbitMQ, that code.
Okay. You need that code. Okay. So I will check with the faculty.
Okay.
Sir, I registered for that, sir. Somehow I did not get the link or anything like that, sir. Is there a way I can watch the video,
That
sir? If
video is
somebody.
available in the YouTube live, sir. We have given that as a live.
Oh, I just need to go to YouTube,
Yes.
Ashok IT, and go to live, sir. In
the Ashok IT YouTube channel, if you check the live, then you will find out it.
Okay, sir. I will check it today, sir. Thank you.
And also, sir, Java 17 features document also not there. Java 17 features document
You
workshop
forgot,
that
sir.
is.
Today I will upload that Java 17 one also.
Yes, it is very helpful, sir. It explain very nicely.
Sure, sir. Good. Thank you, guys.
Sir, one other quick question, sir. I see a lot of technical layoffs in all these major companies, sir. Do you know what is the any behind story, sir? Like what we can do to basically get into
We'll
this
talk on that,
project?
sir. On the layoffs part, we'll discuss separately. Okay?
Okay, sir.